Hi friends, today we are unboxing the brand new Vivo Y29. This phone is already popular for its stylish design, big display, and strong battery. Let's open the box and see what we get inside. On the top, we have the new Vivo Y29 wrapped in plastic. Under the phone, there are some accessories. We get a SIM eject tool, a protective cover to keep the phone safe, a fast charger with a USB cable, and the user manual. Now, let's take a look at the phone itself. When you hold it in your hand, it feels solid and very nice. The thickness is only 8 millimeters, and the weight is about 204 grams. The front is glass, while the back and the frame are plastic. This phone comes in two color options, brown and white. It also has splash and dust protection, which is a good addition. Now let's talk about the display. It has a 6.68-inch large screen. The display looks bright and very clear, even under daylight. It also feels smooth to use, thanks to the fast refresh rate. On top, there is tough glass for protection against scratches. Moving to the cameras. On the back, we get two cameras. The main camera is 50 megapixels, which takes sharp and detailed photos. The second one is a 2-megapixel depth sensor that adds background blur. There is also a flash for better photos in low light. Video recording is also good with clear results. On the front, we have an 8-megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. Now let's check the performance. This phone comes with a fast processor and an octa-core CPU. It has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. There is also support for a memory card. This means apps, games, and videos run smoothly without lag. Now about the battery. It has a large 6500 mAh battery. With this, you can easily use the phone for a full day on a single charge. It also supports fast charging. The phone charges 50% in about 40 minutes, and it can reach full charge in around 1.5 hours. You can even use it to charge another phone. So friends, this was the unboxing and review of the Vivo Y29. It offers a big display, solid design, powerful cameras, smooth performance, and a long-lasting battery. If you are looking for a phone that looks good and works fast, the Vivo Y29 can be a great choice for you. Friends, this was the complete look at the Vivo Y29. A phone that not only comes with a stylish design, but also offers a big screen, long-lasting battery, and smooth performance for everyday use. If you watch a lot of videos, play games, or use your phone all day, this device gives you reliable battery life and an easy experience. Its cameras also capture your special moments clearly and brightly. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more unboxings and tech videos.